The topic of today's video is how to fix Android IP address unavailable error. So the first thing that we want to try is just swiping down, and then we want to click on the settings cog, and then we want to click on Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi and getting that problem. Let this load up, and then click on your connected Wi-Fi. Just click on the little info icon and just forget the Wi-Fi and then connect to it again, and that usually fixes the problem. However, if it doesn't, you can also try just going into airplane mode, which you will again do by swiping down and clicking on the airplane icon over here. If that doesn't fix it, you can head right back into settings and scroll down till you see apps and then app management, and then here you just want to type in play, and then you'll get Google Play Services and click on that, and then go to storage usage, and you want to click on clear cache, and that should fix your problem. I would do a restart on your phone just to be safe, and do consider liking and subscribing as well. I'm pretty sure that's going to help you, and I'll see you in the next video.